Good morning, guys, and welcome to MC Vlogs. And I want to let you guys know that it's gonna be a good day, but it's gonna be a really cold day. And you know, like I'm trying to my headphone, my hoodie on because it's raining outside. But I'm vlogging it out a little bit and testing the situation with this video. So, I mean, it's nice to tell you guys that I'm using this Lume Cube 2.0, and it's a very good light, LED light, and it's waterproof too. So you can see where it's from. See, it's better than the one that I had earlier, which is the other one, which is the low quality, and it's like the low quality version of it, which is, I don't remember what the brand was, but it sucks. So but I'm saying it's a nice thing to have. It's a waterproof LED light, so it gets the job done, focusing on my vlogs and, you know, giving the good situation where they're vlogging. So you know, it's raining out, but I'm gonna give it a situation how it's gonna look like if it's raining or during the night, and it looks nice. So straightforward. As you can see, it looks better already with this light. But as I said, this is a good situation where I went to test a little rain with the waterproof LED lights and get the job done when it's, you know, it's a great LED light. So I can turn it bright. I can use my phone. I can do that, things like that, to get it brighter, or strobe light, or I can do for photography and videography, which is my vlogs and things like that. So I get the situation doing, and just get it nice and simple. So anyways, it's cold and raining and trying to do a lot of videos. Just like this one for you guys. So I'm trying to figure out where to put you guys on my tripod, but as I said, I'll show you guys like a situation like this, or 60 frames per second, or 30 frames per second, you know, you name it. Anyways, so you know, I'm gonna put you on my mom's car real quick. This thing is so inconvenient, but this tripod is called the Lens MT16, and it goes like this, and you can see it's a little brighter like that. Oops. So anyways, as I said before, this is my go-to. I'm using the Canon G7X Mark II and this Lume Cube 2.0. It's the best like vlog setup. Like, there it is, having a Canon camera here. Any way you have it, it's gonna be amazing to have. But anyways, that's what I like about it. It's just a nice go-to camera. So I am far away as much as possible. You can't see me, but when I do my vlogs, I can just go up here, and that's it. So I'm thinking about vlogging. As I said, I'm gonna vlog Christmas Eve, so I'll be vlogging that and the wedding too. So stay tuned for that. So, man. Holy crap. Anyways, I can't believe tomorrow's Christmas Eve and my girlfriend's coming Christmas Day. She's gonna spend the night, one night, and we're gonna have some, just hang out by the house and chill. But I'm not gonna vlog it because it's just one night. I was gonna live stream, so anyways, it's so great to have this camera and then have this LumeCube 2.0 as a situation to vlog with. It's a beast of a. I just got this yesterday. Like, it's only like $89 plus tax, but it's like the best you can afford if you're looking for something to vlog or things like that. So I just go like this, back to normal, and watch my step because I'm looking for my step. And yeah, so anyways, guys, don't forget to please leave a like and subscribe and comment below, like and share. And I'll do a Christmas Eve vlog and things like that, post it and edit some of it and use a new laptop for it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Run up on me, you just might get stocked out. Working for the money, never clock out. All these pretty women wanna talk now. We don't ever stop now. Run up on me, you just might get stocked out. Working for the money, never clock out. All these pretty women wanna talk now. We don't ever stop now.